Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video, but I'm really excited about today's unboxing because today I'm going to unbox a jewelry subscription box on my channel, and whenever it comes to jewelry subscription boxes I get super duper excited because I love jewelries. So the box that I'm going to unbox today is right here, which is the jewelry grab box for the month of February. So this is how the box looks. The box looks really amazing, and on the back of the box it says Faconn because this box is by Faconn. I guess that is how you pronounce it. And over here you are going to get all the social media handles, and you can book your grab box on www.faconn.com. Let's come to the price of this month's box. So this month's box comes for rupees 389 plus 60 rupees of shipping. So the total worth of products in this month's box is rupees 1450. Like, yes, you heard me right, 1450. And also let me mention that each of these boxes are going to contain the same jewelry pieces, only the colors may slightly differ. So now without talking any further, let's just quickly unbox this box. So once you open the box, this is how the inside looks, and yes, and oh my god, this is so pretty, guys. Like for the price, I think this is the best in the market. Like the packaging is super duper good, like the quality is really good. Okay, so the first thing that I can notice is that the packaging is completely eco-friendly, which is something really awesome. So all the products come in this bag right here, which I'm going to open, but before that let's see what the cards say. So there are two cards inside. One of them is the content card or the price card, you know, whatever you would like to call it. So let's see which is the first product, and there actually seems to be a lot of products inside. So let's see what comes to my hand first. Okay, so the first thing that came to my hand is this one, this thing right here. And what is this? Okay, so this I think is a choker. Yes, this is a choker necklace. So this one is studded, as you can see, and I love the combination of black and gold. Anything black and gold makes me wow. So I think this is supposed to go around your neck, and this is supposed to hang, and this one is like, you know, this is so stylish. If you're wearing a simple top and jeans, you can just wear this, and this is completely going to change the game. And you know, you can also wear this with a vampy lip shade, and it's gonna look so good. So let's see what is the price of this necklace. So this choker necklace retails for rupees 250. I'm like, wow, this is so nice, guys. This is the first product itself just wowed me. So let's see which is the second product. These are a pair of hoop earrings. So these are black in color. Let me just take it out and show it to you guys. Okay, so this is how they look. So if you're a 90s kid, you will know the importance of these rings because these were such a big thing in the 90s, and I remember myself wearing these so much. And you know, these are those pair of earrings which are going to go with any outfit, like anything you wear, Indian, Western, any kind of outfit, you can just put these on and you're simply going to rock it. Because also let me mention that you can actually pair it with this choker right here. I think this is a pair or something, like I'm not sure. But so hula hoop earrings are priced at rupees 100. Okay, so I received something in this red bag. So let's just quickly open this bag and see what's inside because I'm really excited. And what is that? Is that a watch? Like, ooh, it is a watch. Like, what? They have a watch, like they have an actual watch inside this box. Like, wow, guys. So let me just take it out, and wow, guys, just look at this. Like, this is so pretty. Like, it says Paris over here, and the numbers are written in rose gold color, and the quality is also good. Like, it's heavy, and also let me mention that these bells are quite sturdy. It feels quite nice, you know, it feels like a really good watch. Like, this looks really pretty as well. So let's see what is the price of this. So this comes for rupees 450. So this watch alone is going to make up for the whole price of the box. The next product in this box is this ring right here, which is like again so good. So let me just take off the plastic. So here is how it looks. It is an adjustable ring, as you can see, and the quality is really awesome. Again, a combination of black and gold, which is my favorite. The quality is really good. It's heavy, and this is something which is going to go with any of your outfit, be it Western, Indian. It's going to look good with everything. I'm simply loving how it looks. I think it looks really pretty on my hands. So let's see what is the price of this ring. So this ring retails for rupees 150. The next product in the box are these pair of wooden earrings. So this is how it looks. It is such a beautiful statement piece, and it actually has two pieces of wood over here. And by the way, let me mention, don't even think that this is heavy. Like, even if it has wood, it's not at all heavy. Okay guys, so this is how it looks, and I love these small golden dangles over here. I think they look really nice. Okay, so this comes for rupees 200. The next thing in the box is this pendant set, which is really dainty, and you know, it's a very lightweight, lightwear jewelry. Like, it's a very dainty piece, very minimal jewelry, and you know, it is perfect for someone who is into minimal jewelry. And I personally love such things because I think this is perfect for everyday wear. The pendant inside also looks quite pretty. It has a small stone stud inside it, and the quality is also good. Coming to the last thing in this month's box. So the last thing in this month's box are these beautiful pair of earrings. These are so gorgeous. These are really small, but this is so pretty. This one is priced at rupees 150. So this one has a leaf over here and two pearls hanging. So again, this one is really lightweight. So that completes our unboxing. Now coming to my overall thoughts on the Jewel Grabox. Now first of all guys, let me mention that as a consumer, the first thing that we want is that the things that we buy, we want them to be the best. Like, we want the best out of things, and when it comes to this box right here, I think you are getting so many good products inside this month's box that it's gonna wow you. Like, you're getting so many products, and all of these are really good quality. They look good, they're really pretty, the packaging is pretty, everything is really nice, and there's a beautiful balance between quality and quantity, which has really impressed me. Like, they have put in a lot of product. They have not compromised with the quality of the box or the quality of any of the products. So overall, really impressed by the Jewel Grabox. Will definitely recommend this box to all of you guys because I think this is really good. I have mentioned all the detail about Grabox down in my description box, so make sure you guys go and check out my description box. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you've liked this video, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.